In the previous videos I showed how linear patterns work in FreeCAD, and I showed how to make a linear pattern in one direction and how to make a linear pattern in two directions at once. Links to these videos are in the description of this video, but the question arose how to make a linear pattern in two directions, but so that only the first rows of features are visible. And we can do that very easily. In this case, simply add two separate linear patterns. First make a linear pattern in one direction and then make a linear pattern in other direction. I'll show you this with an example. I will start with a solid with a hole. First I created a solid and then in the second operation I created a hole. And now to get a linear pattern so that this hole is repeated in one row in that direction and another row in that direction, add the linear pattern operation twice. In the feature tree, select the feature you want to copy in a linear pattern and select linear pattern feature. And let's add the first pattern along the x-axis on the length 80 millimeters and 7 occurrences. OK. There is a linear pattern in one direction, and now select again the operation with which the hole was made and again select linear pattern operation, and this time select the y-axis as the direction and specify the rest of the parameters. And OK. And the second linear pattern of this hole was added. And there is a linear pattern in two directions with one row of holes in each direction. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel. This will greatly support the growth of this channel.